Hello everyone, my name is Elena. I'm head for learning and development in Drinkit. Today we are hosting Drinkit Mixology Championship in Victoria Ardino Lab. This competition is open for everyone. That's why baristas here not only from Drinkit but also from the industry in general. Our competition today is based on usual national coffee competitions with the same judges from the world and international industry and also with professional score sheets. The main idea and inspiration were taken from the coffee and good spirits competition. The format is pretty similar to the usual competitions. Guys need to create during 10 minutes a signature drink and present it to sensory judges during 7 minutes. They had one head judge and 2 sensory judges. We organized this championship to help our team to grow, see our competitors and receive a professional feedback from people from the industry. Another reason why we decided to make this competition open is to see the level of our participants and also to be a part of the industry, to make some events which can grow not only our team but also someone else. For many baristas, this is their first experience of taking part in the competition. That's why it was really crucial for us to find certified judges who could give the positive feedback and at the same time really structured one and really professional one. So our team will know how to grow and where exactly to grow. And on the top of that, because we are actively growing in the region, it's really crucial for us to see new talents in our team. And events like this, of course, make us the possibility to find new people and new faces for our new Drinkit coffee shops. Speaking about numbers, I see that this is a really good trajectory and a really right direction. We care a lot about our people and we invest a lot in their growth. And we know that this is the right path because we see it in numbers. Our turnover is pretty low, people stay with us and even grow more with the amount of our coffee shops. From barista to office team members and also for coffee shop leaders, for senior training baristas. And when our baristas become better, we see the same result in numbers from our guests. They leave us way more positive feedback, they give us more likes, and they leave us a lot of positive comments, which we can see in our application.
Hi, my name is Albina and I'm a head of marketing of Drinkit MENA. This event is especially important for us because we're growing our presence now in the MENA region. We position ourselves as a specialty coffee shop, so those kinds of events are especially important for us. We've been growing in Dubai for the past 4 years, and during this time, the coffee community was very supportive. This community gave us a lot of advice, invited us to events, showed us how the business is doing here. So when the opportunity is there, we are excited to always support the community back. As a marketing leader who is responsible for the brand at this region, it is important for me to focus not only on B2C, but also on B2B. And those kind of events highlight our specialty, attention to quality and craftsmanship. And we're excited to be a part of this community.
Hello, I'm Jane. I was one of the judges during the Drinkit Mixology Championship. And what I can say about it is this kind of initiative is actually what we need in our industry. This is what pushes the industry forward. It also pushes the confidence of our baristas nowadays. I mean, as a competitor myself for how many years, and now being on the other side of the table, I'm happy to see baristas pushing the boundaries. Baristas showing up and stepping up on the stage, because I know national level is kind of intimidating for them. So having this kind of competition is a platform that we give to this kind of baristas to have their practice, to have their to step up. Because in competition, I know there's a pressure in it, but then to be able to step up or to be able to take the first step is actually what we need to put the industry or to raise the standards of the coffee industry in the UAE. So Drinkit Mixology Championship, it is one of the best initiatives. I hope we have so much more for this kind of competition in the industry. Yeah. So thank you so much, Drinkit. Thank you. That's it.
Hi, my name is Tiki from Drinkit Marina. Actually, I was the last year champion in Drinkit competition last year. Actually, I was so nervous and it's all completely new to me. And that experience gave me a lot of confidence and to enhance myself and my abilities. Standing in front of all those people and the professional judges are completely new for me. But Drinkit, they give us a potential to grow and they give or invest to their people. That's why I'm looking forward for today's event, because Drinkit, they don't just hire people, they hire them to develop, and it gives people to grow more. In Drinkit, I love to work at Drinkit because it's not only like working, it's like a family that lets you grow, and it's all from the heart. Like in Drinkit, everything is there, respect, family, it's all there. Last year championship gives me and taught me a lot of things, especially about coffee. The feedback from the judges give me a lot of strength, and I feel more confident behind the bar, talking with the guests, and I can explain more clearly the drinks that I need. Compared to before, that I cannot even explain what I'm doing. But now, after the championship, everything is clear. That's one reason why I'm excited to see this year competitors, because I want to see how they improve and enhance themselves in the future. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Jason. A few years ago, I was working behind the bar as a Drinkit barista. Today, I am working together with the office team, and it is nice to be back here watching the championship as for different perspective. My journey at Drinkit shows that there are real opportunities to grow. I didn't have to leave the company to take the next step of my career. Instead, I was able to learn new skills, take more responsibilities, and even more, move into a completely new role. That's the one thing I valued most about Drinkit. If you want to grow, you'll always find support in here. Whether it's training, new projects, or championship like this one, there are more opportunities to develop in yourself. Thank you so much, Drinkit, for all the opportunities that I have, and it will be a valuable thing for me.
Hello, this is Federico at Vittorio Arduino. We are really happy to support Drinkit in this competition, which is a way to basically celebrate creativity, but also teamwork. And we really believe at Vittorio Arduino that Drinkit is the coffee shop of the future, because they integrate digitalization and also technology, but they still keep the human factor as an important role. So we as Vittorio Arduino, through this kind of activities, competition, we really want to support the people, the barista, and the people which are working with the coffee machines, because we want them to grow, to find opportunities to know and to network with new people. So we're really happy about this partnership, and we want to continue this journey with Drinkit and the coffee professional to grow, to design the future of coffee. Thank you.
Hi, so my name is Randa Juzairi. I'm the head of food service at Oatly for looking after the region. This is the first of many of our collabs with Drinkit. We just started our relationship and continuous relationship with them because we have synergy when it comes to supporting the community, whether it's barista or coffee community or mixology in general. So we were so happy to take part of this championship. And yeah, as I said, one of too many, and congrats for the winners.